Okay, where was this book when I was growing up and driving for the first time and learning more about my car? I think this would have been fantastic. I didn't have it, so now that I do have it, I do try to recommend this to different, folks, just because I think it's a really good introduction to learning more about your automobile and exactly how to maintain it and what some of those like keywords means, right? So I think this is really valuable. So this book is super easy to get through. I think it's only about 140 pages, so very, very simple. I do love that it has a table of contents right here. So just say that there's something specific that you're looking for. So if you want to learn more about, learning more about your specific vehicle, that information is in here. Understanding that, the car that you drive, essential tools, emergency equipment, understanding the fluids, exactly what all of that means, the fuel, right? That's super important. Understanding your tires and your wheels, your visibility, your maintenance. I think that's super key because that's one of the things that I didn't really have a whole lot of information on when I was growing up. So I love that there's a chapter in here to walk you through some of the maintenance, buying and selling a car, because I feel like personally that can be a little bit intimidating. So I love that that's in here as well. And then you have roadside emergencies and safety and just smart ownership, budgeting, and longevity. So I really think this is great. Again, this is something that I've referred back to myself. I know when I was looking for something specifically regarding my fuel in my car and also specific fluids like the power steering fluid, I came in here just to read up a little bit more about it. So I think it's fantastic. Lots of really good tips in here. And then you do again have the table of contents to be able to refer back when you're needing to.